We loved the lot when we bought the house. We had drainage issues and we knew we needed a lot of help. When we first had our vision, it wasn't complete. We didn't know exactly what we wanted. J&J came in and gave us some ideas. The whole process was extremely smooth. J&J was so responsive. They talked me through everything. If I had questions, they were always willing to answer. If I had comments or wanted something a little different, they were perfect to work with. Besides the kitchen, I think the backyard is one of the most important parts for a family. Your kids play out here, they have birthday parties, and all the kids love to come here, and that's what I want. Kids come in here. And it just brings a sense of calm when you go outside and see a beautiful landscape. I mean, who doesn't want to have a yard that makes you feel happy? After they were done with the landscape installation, we continue to use them to maintain our beautiful backyard, and it's a relief to know that I'm going to be able to enjoy it without having to work on it.